Hey guys, I'm Matty B, one of the #1s at 𝗂𝗍𝗆 Racing. This week I'm helping build ANDRÉ'S new car. So today's Thursday. We pre-fit all the panels earlier in the week. They've been a paint over in composites, they've been painted, ballasted, and now they're ready to go on the car. So today we'll be fitting them all to the car for the final time. Hey everyone, it's the afternoon now. So we've managed to fit all the bodywork. So we've got the A-pillars on, the rear quarters on the roof. They're just setting now. We've also managed to get in the steering column, rack and the pedal box. So that's it for today. Next week, hopefully we'll get the gearbox in it and the wiring finished off, and then we should start it up pretty soon.